This is the STIHL MS 661C Magnum. This chainsaw by STIHL is in their professional line and used by their timber sports. The engine is a 5.56 cubic inch 91 cc. It produces over 7 horsepower. It's designed to run longer guide bars, can come with a standard 20-inch bar. Currently I have it outfitted with a 60-inch Canon Superbar. This will end up in a mill, Granberg Alaskan Mill, and it has a Woodland Mills ripping chain on it, 15-degree ripping chain, no skip. The MS 661C by STIHL.